Hello family, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'll be reviewing a new project that I researched and I see a lot of potential in, and it's called the Neighbours. And I'll be talking about its white paper, the owners, the CEO, and some things that I like about the project. And if I do see a lot of potential in it. So if you like these types of videos where I take a look at new projects and talk about its potentials, and review it with you guys and say the pros and cons so that you decide if this is something that you want to get into a project. Please like, subscribe, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so we have here the neighbors. So from the first glance, I really like the slick view of the website. So this is something different than other node projects and other projects that come out recently, and it goes out there to show that they really spent a lot of time designing the website and making sure everything is right before they launch. Okay, and so I just wanted to refresh the page real quick, and so we have here the neighbors. Once you go on the website, which I'll have the link down below, and it gives you the opportunity for the pre-sale, as we see here, pre-sale on March 22nd, and it's gonna be on 5 p.m. Okay, Eastern time. So their token is NEIBR, and it's in the pre-sale. Okay, so they'll have three here that you can buy, either a condo, three house families, either a condo, a family home, or a mansion, and all you have to do is just enter your email here, and you'll be prompted hopefully before the pre-sale on March 22nd to connect your wallet, and so it's gonna be on the AVAX network, and you'll be able to if you get a condo, you'll be earning about 0.03 NIB each day, and then we have here for the family home is 350, and so you'll be earning 0.06, and for the mansion it'll be 500 in AVAX, which you'll be earning zero point 0.1 NIB per day. So this is nice. Okay, I like everything here. I like that their marketing team has the website. Once you get into it, you're already prompted to not a landing page, but somewhat of a landing page to get your emails and to let you stay connected to a project. And that's something that a lot of projects don't do, and I believe they're missing out a lot. So this is something that I really do truly like about the project, and it's something that they're trying to actually market their project to the highest potential, and this is nice. Okay. All right, so let's get to the review. So we have here Meta Sustainable Protocol that offers its community the easiest way to earn daily rewards. So I like this. Okay, I like real estate in general, where you're able to maybe buy a house, a family home, and then maybe rent it out to a family that needs a house for a full family, and then you're getting the rent for each month, and all you have to do is kind of like a passive income opportunity, but here it's a digital. Okay, so instead of owning the actual family home and you're going there and you're getting the rent, you have to fix the repairs and everything. This is something new. Okay, this is a new protocol that talks about how we're now distributing it into the actual neighbors, and talk about like properties, and you're just getting a property online and you're gonna be starting earning right away. Okay, so this is nice. You're able to search the address here. Let's say I want to get into let's say okay, let me say Memphis. Okay, you'll be able to search Memphis, and then you'll be able to search once everything is up and running, and you'll find properties in Memphis that you'll be able to take a look at and see if this is something that you want to get into. Okay, but this is nice. Okay, it gives you the opportunity to actually view the website and view the things that they have, the assets, and the team in general. Okay, and we have a video here, and it says enjoy your daily passive income. This is nice. Okay, it looks very professional, and I really like what's going on here. Okay, so it's gonna be something new, something that a lot of projects haven't done already, and this is, I believe, is gonna be very huge, and I wouldn't want to miss out on it. So here we have four things here. We have the 360 virtual tour. So you're gonna be buying the property, you're gonna be jumping into it, having the tour, a 360 tour, and you're gonna be able to furnish it and also see about the property, and that's something that you wanna buy. And if it's a property that fits you, it's like going to a house. You're buying a house, Before you buy it, you talk to the owner, you talk to the agent, you go there and you take a look at the house and you take a 360 tour. And if you like it, then you proceed to buy it or to rent it as well. And then they talk about their nodes. So it'll be an NFT node. Okay, this is nice. So it's an NFT, and they'll give the property owner the opportunity to run in the ecosystem, and you'll earn rewards from it. So if I'm understanding this right, it'll be an NFT. So an NFT as well. This is another opportunity that's good because you'll be earning passive income daily from the rewards from the NEIBR token, but you'll also have an NFT, which hopefully will increase in the potential of its value later on. So this is a win-win situation, okay? And then you will be able to have a virtual mode, and you'll be able to visit your house, your future house, hopefully, and take a tour in the metaverse. So this is very huge, okay? And you'll be able to see the neighborhoods. You'll be able to watch the neighborhoods and the insights. You'll be able to look at the NFTs, and you'll be able to, in general, have a diverse clarification of everything happening in there. So it's like I believe this video here talks about it, how you're able to have the 360 tour, as you see here. Take a look at everything. You're able to buy, sell, visit a family, and even trade, as you see here. So this is very interesting, okay? So they have here the about section. So it's going to be an NFT based metaverse, okay? So it's going to be an NFT that's in the metaverse. You're able to own, you're able to rent, you're able to purchase, and you're able to do a lot of things. And you'll be able to earn the passive income each day from just holding the NFT that you have. So you're able to link so it's going to be a node, okay? So an NFT that's linked to a node. You're able to purchase the house. You're able to do a lot of things in the metaverse. Hopefully you're able to rent it out. So that's something that you're able to even generate more passive income if somebody wants to maybe rent out your house for a few months and you're able to earn double. That'll be something interesting if they actually do that. And you're able to even play the NFT game demo today. Okay, so if I press on the demo here, so it looks like it's gonna take a while to load, but we'll do it in another video. Okay, I'll try to get that going in another video where I'm able to view the game and take a look at everything that they have, or I might even have a picture down below or in between the video talking about what it looks like in the demo that they have. So here, like I was talking about, it says become a real estate owner. So this is gonna be, you're becoming essentially a real estate owner in the metaverse. Okay, you're able to buy properties. Hopefully, later on the properties can increase, and you're able to also capitalize on the opportunity of earning passive income from it. So as you see here, it says that each property is gonna have its unique value. Each one is gonna be earning you different rewards, like we spoke in the when I first talked about you put in your email, and talking about the condo, family houses. So each one is gonna earn you different ones, okay? Different opportunities. So it's gonna be. It says here also get the freedom to make the changes to your property, where you're able to hopefully one day you're able to sell it if the price increases, or even if the price decreases a little bit, you're still earning passive income from it. So this is a nice opportunity. All right, this is something that it's new, and with new things comes also risks. But I believe that if everything goes right with this project, it has a lot of potential. So your neighborhood is also, so they're gonna have different services like shops, banks, events, and much more. And you need to have that in your back of your mind, okay? If your neighborhood has, let's say, a lot of shops, a lot of banks, and a lot of events, then maybe that place is gonna increase in value more than another place that is not gonna have all these events and opportunities beside it. So when you're getting your properties, just make sure that your neighborhoods that you're wanting to get into, and like I said here, so you're able to put the address and you're able to put the zip code and everything. Just make sure that in that place they're able to attain like the new shops and new everything that they want to come up with. So that's something that's going to increase the value of your property, and it'll make your property more special than other ones as well. So we have here the NFT market. You're able to decorate your virtual home. So it's like I said, this is going to be a metaverse. So you're able to decorate it. You're able to even sell it. Hopefully sell it for a profit. And you're able to upgrade to another property. Let's say you have a condo and you want to upgrade to a family house. Then you're going to be able to generate more income from it. And also by selling hopefully you're making a profit of the property that you have. So you're able to also decorate it. You're able to host events. This is very important. Okay, so you're able to become successful host, and you able to gain access to exclusive NFT collab. Okay, this is really important actually. I didn't take a look at this when I was reviewing it before. This is important. You're able to host events, and you're able to collab with other NFT people that have properties, that have events going on there. So this is very nice. This is actually exciting, and so you're able to have a shop here, which is probably gonna be loaded when everything is when the pre-sale is happening. So you're able to buy a sofa, you're able to buy a table, you're able to buy a white lamp. So all the essential things that's needed in the house, basically. And so this is their economics here. So they have a DeFi protocol. So their protocol is the most important thing, in my opinion. They're able to earn daily rewards from owning a property. Plain and simple. You have a property. You're hopefully that you're renting out to a tenant, and they're paying your rent each month. So this is how basically it works here as well. You're able to have governance. This is important. Okay, so you're able to vote for new feature and expand an expansion of the protocol. So it's important for a DeFi project that they prompt to its investors and to the people that are into a project, and they have governance over that. You're able to vote. Maybe something wrong is going with the game and with the NFT, and you want to see a change. Maybe you want to say, oh, I want the family condo, the family house to be higher than the no, I want the condo to be higher than the family house. And if that's something that everyone votes on, that can also work out in our favor. So it's something good. Okay, it might not be that much, but it's important to have a voice in a project that you're investing in, and for them to have that, it's really important, and it's impressive in my opinion as well. So you're able to collect your NFTs, you're able to exchange, buy, sell your NFTs as well. So just keep that in the back of your mind. You're able to purchase the properties, and also your NFTs will increase in value, and therefore you can sell or you can stake it. Hopefully they have a staking option, but you're able to do all that, and you're able to increase your value. All right, so this is nice. Okay, they had the phase one. So we're at now, right now, actually, we're in phase one. We're in the pre-sale. Okay, so pre-sale March 22nd. Have that in your calendar, because I definitely will have that, and hopefully I'm able to get in the pre-sale. And so they talk about the phase one, just get the pre-sale going, and then the phase two in 2022. So this is all 2022. Wait, so they're already working very hard to get everything going, and they're talking about the NFT marketplace where you're in the public sale. Okay, so but it's important to get on the pre-sale. If you're not able to get on the pre-sale, that's fine. Just try to get on the public sale, because I believe there's a lot of hype for this project, and I believe this will go further as well. And so yeah, there's an NFT place, a public sale, and now for the phase three. So this is their marketing team, which will have partnerships. They're able to distribute to the project, and able to grow the project once they have everything going. And I like that they have the partnerships in phase three instead of just the phase one or phase two, since they'll have everything going with from the pre-sale and the public sale, and then after that they're able to calculate how much they're made, and how if the project needs a little bit more funds, and then that's when they have the partnerships in phase three, since they're able to calculate everything, and then see if that's something that they want to put more funds into the partnerships, or should it be a little bit of a lower budget. But yeah, so here as well, ultra rare NFTs collection, the virtual 3D platform, as we saw in the video above, and expansion of the neighborhood. So this could mean that they're able to buy shops, they're able to include more things in the neighborhoods project, and in order for you to grow your neighborhood and grow your the family house or the condo that you have, and it'll also increase in price for you. And then here, this is the last phase of 2022, which is phase four. So it's integration with the metaverse. So this will be important. So you're able to have your own metaverse, a condo or a family house, and your property essentially in the metaverse, which will be very exciting actually. All right, so we here. This is important, okay? The teams are doxed. Everything about them is really important, and they, I like that they have the reputation out on the line, and it just gives a trust and reputation to us as investors once you want to get into a project. and it shows that they've done everything and they believe in that project as well. I wouldn't want a team or a project that doesn't have their devs, or they're not doxed, to be in, not having their face in the project. So that's something I want to see in a project. Okay, once I review a project, I want to see that the core team is doxed, and everything. I want to know who am I investing with, and that's something that gives me trust in the project. Okay, so I want to talk about the co-founder, Fabrice. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing his name right. So I've taken a look at his LinkedIn, and this just will be, since this is a review, I just wanted to do everything about the project. So I wanted to take a look at his experience, and right off the bat, I like this. I like what I'm seeing. He has a lot of experience in the business side and in the crypto, and also in the so he actually created a lot of things, and I like to see that. Okay, it's not just oh, we're gonna create this project right off the bat. We don't have any experience. Yes, we're dogs, but as well, I want to see if you're able to have the experience to back up your investment and everything that you're trying to create. So this is nice. Okay, we have here 6 years and 9 months with a project that he was in turn. So this is nice. Okay, he has experience. Business owner, like this as well. He has communication skills. He's able to grow out a business, and which just gives me a little bit more comfort that he has experience in these ventures, in these business sides. And he was a crypto investment in the blockchain. Okay, so for 5 years. So this is nice as well. Okay, since 2017, he's able to learn a lot of things before he dived into his own project, and that gives me comfort as well that he knows what the ins and outs of each project, of each crypto, and how to improve from it. And as we can see, it definitely paid out with the website, with the team, and with the economics of the whole project. So this is nice. Okay, and so we also have here another founder. So he's created a lot of ventures, and this is nice. And he's been into this as well for 2 years and 7 months. So this is nice. Okay, and here we have, he was the recent one, which was 5 months until now, from November 2020, 2021. So this is when he was working on the project of the neighbors, as we see here, and it just has a little description of what the neighbors is, which is the protocol, and you're able to buy virtual real estate, earn daily passive rewards. So this is nice. Okay, he's been into that project for about 5 6 months now, and he was working onto it very hard. And so this is nice. Okay, I like to take a look at this once I'm reviewing the project. I want to see their LinkedIn portfolio and everything. So this is nice. Okay, it gives me comfort when I'm reviewing the project, and also when I'm prompting it to you guys. But just do your research as well. There's we have here several things that you could take a look at. You're able to also take a look at, if I can find the website. Okay, you're able to also take a look at the co-founder, and the co-founder as well, and the head of communication. You're able to take a look at the whole team. So this gives me comfort, guys. Okay. So you're also able to join the neighbors, which I'll be talking about their Discord and their Telegram in a minute. So I want to talk about their FAQ. So this is a title here. You're able to go on their FAQ and take a look at the things that other investors and other people that want to get into the project are asking. Okay. So here it says, what are the properties and home decor? So there are non-fungible tokens, okay, so which is the NFTs that are going to be in the blockchain, where you're able to have securities and have authenticity, and you're able to transfer it, and you're able to buy or sell from it. Okay, so it's a digital ownership, and so this is important. Okay, so it says here, why do I have to pay monthly property taxes? So most of monthly property tax will be put towards our protocol sustainability. So this is nice. Okay, they have something for the sustainability. You're able to provide that tax each month. So you pay tax on real estate, that you a property in real life as well. You pay tax by the end of the year. So this is nice. You're able to pay a monthly property tax. So you're able to distribute that back to the protocol and grow it out from there. So just take a look at this as something nice. I want teams and I want projects to have property taxes, not property taxes, but have taxes in place that they're able to have for the project in order for it to last maybe 1 2 3 years. instead of not prompting any taxes or any taxes on the project, and the project just fails the next month or the second month. So here as well, how can I pay the monthly property tax? So everything is going to be paid in AVAX, okay? Just have that in the back of your mind. You're able to pay AVAX for creating your house. You're able to pay AVAX for the taxes and everything, okay? So, oh, this is actually important. How long is the property active for the passive income? So in order for you to keep the property active, you have to keep the tax system in place. So it's just like a strong block, if you don't know the strong block. So you're able to pay taxes each month in order to have your nodes running, okay? So here they have the same system where you have to pay your taxes in place in order for you to keep your house going, okay? And you have 30 days from the missed payments until the property is deactivated. So just make sure when you're buying a property that you're paying your taxes in time, just so you don't run the risk of your property being, deactivated, which we don't want that to happen, okay? So just for other people that have different wallets, several wallets that want to get into a project and they want to transfer from the wallet. So the answer is no. Just have one property with one wallet, buy your properties from there, and just stay there. Okay, don't if you want to get another project, another property, just connect to another wallet and just buy the property from there. Don't transfer the properties. Okay. So here it says, how can I view my property? So you're able to visit it in the 3D virtual tour, which they have in the above page where you're able to take a look at the property you want to buy, the location you want to buy, let's say Memphis, every location you want to take a look at, you're able to view it in 3D and see if that's the property that you want to get into for the long term. And also, so if you have an NFT, just a PSA, if you have a NFT, you're able to sell that property, or you're able to transfer it or buy another one. Okay, so you're not just stuck with one property. It's an NFT. You're able to sell or buy another one in the future if that's something you want to do. So do we get the same daily rewards? So it says here, no. So there's different real estate, like we have the condo and the family house, where you're able to get specific daily rewards. I think it was zero point 0.1 and another one was 0 0.6. So you're able to, it's different, okay? And it's different based on the price as well, which is in AVAX. So here it says how many properties can I buy, and that's what I was talking about. So if you're able to buy several ones, okay? You're able to afford, if you're able to afford 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, you're able to buy that, okay? But you're able to compound as well, and you compound your rewards, and hopefully maybe if you're getting 0 0.1 and you compound it and you're able to get another one, just know that with this as well, I don't see the question here, somebody asking about the taxes and for each one of them. Just make sure if you're buying several that you're keeping your taxes in place as well, okay? And so here, so will I be able to home decor for my house? So everything is going to be purchased with the NFT market. So as we saw with the tables, couch, and everything, you're able to buy that from the NFT. So everything is based on the NFTs here. Uh, so this is nice, okay? And so can I sell my property and home decor? So you can sell everything, okay? Since it's gonna be an NFT, this is an asset that you have. This is something. This is a property that you have. You wanna transfer it, you wanna sell it, you wanna buy another one. That's your choice. It's something that's gonna be yours, okay? All right, guys. So now that we got this out of the way, I want to take a look at their Telegram actually first. So here they have the Telegram so far. They have 5,000 followers. It's nice, okay? Their Telegram looks slick as well. And they have an A-mailer, okay? Already, so 22 hours ago, they have an AMA, which will be at March 17th at 10 p.m. So have that in your calendar if you want to take a look at the project and the devs, and just be early to the project, okay? And you'll be also, if you're able to provide the 10 best questions in the AMA, you're able to get a whitelist opportunity. So this is nice, okay? You're able to, there's a lot of things that are happening in the project, and they're really working very hard, as you see here. Before even the pre-sale, they want to do on March 17th, they want to do an AMA already for questions that people have, and just some inquiries that people might have as well. So there's also whitelist opportunities that hopefully when you're active in the Discord, you're able to get as well. But just keep your back in your mind the pre-sale, okay? March 22nd. All right, guys. Let's take a look at their white paper. Okay, this is important. So the white paper here, we have the disclaimer. So if you purchase, it says here, if you purchase ownership, recept, or position of the NEIBR token, so there's no rights. Okay, there's so if you when you purchase that, it's not guaranteeing you everything. It's not guaranteeing you that the NEIBR token will rise, will go to $100, will go to 200. There's no guarantees here. It's a DeFi, okay, DeFi opportunity, and it's a DeFi project where nothing is risk free, okay, in crypto especially. You must be able to understand that, and you understand the risks of it, okay? So none of these projects are financial advice. You have to take a look at this and ask yourself if this is something, if this is a great opportunity to get into, or if that's something I want to hold on to it and see another project, okay? It's all your choice. But you have to, it talks about the taxes that you have to agree to. So if you're buying a property, you have to agree that you're paying your taxes each month, or you'll have after that 30 days, and your property will be deactivated. So you have to understand that you have to keep your property, paying your taxes, and understand that this is not risk free. Okay, and just I like that they have the properties very low, $200, $300. Um, for everyone to try to get into it. So they're keeping their prices very low for the pre-sale, which I do like, okay? And if and the best opportunity to get on these projects is in pre-sale, okay? Or if you get whitelisted. But so this is very nice. You have to get in early, okay? If you don't get in early, that's fine too, but just calculate risks and calculate if this is still a great opportunity to get into, or should you wait? Because everything will have risks in it, but I hope this video helps for people to evaluate the risks and see if that's something that they want to get into. All right, so we have the introduction. So the Neighbors, like we said, it's an NFT based metaverse game. So I'll be in the metaverse hopefully in the Q4 by the end of 2022, and you're able to get into the game. You're able to play games, and you're able to do a lot of things. You're able to earn passive income and just be part of this great protocol. There's a lot of competitive things that's happening for the project. The leaders are doxed and everything. You're able to have the NFTs. You're able to buy couches. You're able to buy tables. You're able to rent your house and sell your NFTs. You're able to earn passive income. So a lot of great opportunities here. Okay, and so here we have their mission. So this is their mission, okay? So it's a community that's driven. It's a project that they want to have the sustainability in the back of their mind, like they said, because with the taxes that they have, each 30 days you pay that. It goes back to the protocol. So that's something that they have to keep the sustainability model going for the DeFi, and they're also bringing in for the DeFi. You're able to they want their values of investors to talk to them with the AMAs, and also so their vision here, as we see, is bring real values to virtual real estate. So there's a lot of value in actual real estate and real life real estate, okay? But now they're bringing it to the virtual, okay? So this is very promising. It's one of the few projects that I've taken a look at that hopefully if they do everything and everything works out, this can be very huge. And they're able to buy, they wanted to build an NFT market ecosystem where you're trading, buying, selling, and earning passive income as well, while collaborating and building out a community with the partnerships that they will have later on. And like I said here, the transparency of governance model. So you're able to govern your opinions, and you're able to, if that's something you don't like about the project, you can talk to them. And if a majority of the investors pile up and we actually speak about something we don't like, we have governance here, and hopefully that helps out, the transparency of the project that they're doing all this. And so here we have the ecosystem, which is the property, nodes, marketplace, and home decor. So the home decor is the assets, that they have, which is rare. They have the reward system, which is going to be in the NEIBR token, and they have the nodes, the properties that you're able to generate. So the nodes is the property, okay, that you're able to generate the passive income from, and you're able to get the rewards from it. And the calculations for each property is different, okay, and the taxes as well. So they have the marketplace where you're able to sell and buy, okay. So the nodes. So here it says every time a player purchases a home. So you're purchasing a node, okay? So just know that you're purchasing a home, but also this is sort of a node, okay? Because you're still paying taxes each month as if you were having a node, which is in the blockchain, and you're paying service fee for each month of it, okay? So it's just a different type of node, okay? It's something that is pretty new, so it's nice, okay? So you're not a property owner in the game, but a part of the ecosystem. So by buying a property, you'll be actually part of the ecosystem, and you're able to grow, improve the ecosystem, improve the features of the platform, and becoming a part of the Neighbours project, and becoming the most important thing, which is building the ecosystem there. So the fees and taxes, which we talked about. So okay, we didn't actually talk about the taxes here, but for the condo, so each taxes is different. Okay, so you have 30 days from the day of miss payment. So if you miss a payment the first 30 days, you'll have another 30 days to pay the taxes for it. And as we see here, each taxes is different from each other. Okay, in order for you to keep your property in place, you have to pay the taxes each month. And so the owners will be able to pay up to 12 months in advance. So let's say you don't want to log in and pay your taxes for next month, but you want to pay for 6 months in advance. You're able to do that, okay? So you want to pay for 6 months here, you'll pay $60 in advance in AVAX. So for each one here, as we see, it's different, okay? For a condo, it's $10, family 13, and mansion is 17. And keep in mind, everything is in AVAX, guys, okay? And this is nice, okay? So we talked about how they're keeping the sustainability of the project by paying taxes each month, but we didn't talk about the claim taxes, flex tax, and marketplace tax, okay? So for each one, there's a transaction fee. You're claiming tax, let's say maybe you're claiming rewards for each day, you'll be taxed with a 10% and a flex tax of 20 to 50%. So this is huge, okay? And a marketplace tax of 10%. But this is nice, okay? I like this. I like the having taxes in place so that we're not pumping or dropping the price of NEIBR. So it's important that they have that, okay? Now we have here the utility and tokenomics. So this is nice, okay? I want to know what's the utility of the token, okay? Because if there's no utility for the token at all, then a lot of people are just going to be selling. But as we see here, you're able to buy, sell, and trade your assets in the NFT market. So there's a huge utility here. Instead of people accumulating NEIBR each day, let's say 0.1, and just cashing out, now you're able to actually compound it, maybe get a new house, and you're able to sell it or even trade it. So there's a big utility here and a big function in the ecosystem that a lot of projects don't have. And that's why we see a lot of projects failing, because everyone just wants to cash out instead of compounding, since there's no utility in the project that they're in. So here we have the team allocation, which is 10%. So this is the whole property of the allocation of Neighbor. So there's the rewards distribution pool of 60%. This is nice, okay? The rewards distribution is the highest here, which goes back to the taxes that you're paying. Let's say you're buying, selling, or trading with a Neighbor. So it goes back to the rewards distribution. And each month you're paying your fees. It also goes back here. Treasury, so this is nice as well, 50%. Just in case things go south and they're able to have a treasury to help them out, maybe raise funds or help the project in general just keep growing. The NIB pool, they have here their pool of 15%, which is allocated to the rewards distribution pool as well. So this is nice, okay? And we have here the daily earning rewards, so which we spoke about, which is different from each one, okay? We have the condo. So for 4 neighbor, you'll be earning 0.03, and here as well, 0.04, and with the home decor NFT boost. So if you have a home decor NFT boost, you'll be able to earn 0.04 neighbor actually, instead of the 0.03 that's usually just for everyone. Okay. Same here, family house. So you'll be earning zero point 0.1 different, and so this is nice. Okay. With the home boost, you're able to the home decor boost. You're able to get a better advantage, but this is probably going to cost a bit more in order for you to get the zero point 0.1 advantage of the neighbor. Okay. You have the mansion, so you're able to earn 0.1 neighbor each day, but with the home decor boost, you're able to earn more with that. Okay. So here we just have a picture, and the road is kind of like a roadmap of what everything that's happening. So if it looks confusing, when I saw it in the beginning as well, it was definitely confusing. I didn't know which one I was looking at. But it just talks about everything. So if you're able to sell property, and everything goes back to a Neighbor token. With the Neighbor token, you're able to sell, you're able to boost your rewards, you're able to exchange it, you're able to claim, you're able to buy NFT decor. So there's so much utility. It's just basically this part here is talking about the utility of the token that they have, and just allocating how much success the utility of the token has. Okay, and they're talking about the claim tax here, and they're talking about the reward system and the reward pool of the taxes, and so everything is in AVAX as you see here as well. They're talking about their promotion, their marketing team. What are they doing in this part for marketing? And for them, they are doing the promotion, YouTube, Discord, Twitter. So that's what they're doing for the sales. They have partnership, blockchain, and they have a lot of things going on here. Okay, so this is comforting. Okay, the team, developers, founders, and the VR team, everything they have is transparent, and so this is nice. I take a look at this, and I already see the potential and the effort that they put into this project, which is comforting. Okay, guys. So this is take a look at this. This is very important. If you just want to glimpse at it and don't want to read the whole white paper, this just gives a brief introduction, a brief summary of everything that's happening in the project. So this is their detailed plan here, which we talked about briefly. They're able to talk about their NFT marketplace taxes, and they're talking about how experts estimate that metaverse industry will soon be 3 trillion. Okay, so they're just talking about the potential that the metaverse has for this project and the utility of it as well. They're talking about the partnerships that they'll have. They're talking about everything, and they're talking about the imagination here. So you're able to earn neighbor, and you're able to host a barbecue party. You're able to host parties and house parties, book club session, and you're able to do all that with the utility of the token. So this is very huge. Not just a token you're able to compound for no reason and just earn passive income from, but you're able to host a lot of great things as you see here: barbecue parties, house parties, a lot of great things that you would have generally in a regular house, in a real life house. Okay. So the roadmap, which we talked about as well, which is in their progress, just go out and build the pre-sale and get a lot of investors in the beginning, and then phase two, which we talked about as well, the NFT marketplace and the public sale, and the partnerships, which is at the end of the roadmap of phase three, and talking about the expansion of the neighborhoods in the metaverse. So this is very huge. I really like their white paper, very clear, very transparent as well with the team, and overall a great project. And now I want to talk about their Discord. Okay, so here they have the first thing. First thing, okay. Once you get into the Discord, you take a look. They have the pre-sale. Okay, so just have it in your calendar. Take a look at the project. Take a look at the Discord, and see if this is a community you want to get into. Already, this 4,000 members, 4,100 members, and they're talking about us, which we spoke about already, which bring real values to virtual real estate. So there's already real values in the real life real estate. But for them, they want to bring a DAO, a governance model, where you're able to buy, sell, and collab with the NFT owners in the metaverse. So this is huge, okay? So here also you can take a look at their official links. Once you get onto Discord, you're able to take a look at the website, minigame site, and also their so if you haven't checked it out, take a look at their demo version of the Metaverse, which we didn't cover here. So just go on their official website and take a look at it, because it'll be very important. Just you're able to actually take a look at how it will feel like once you get your property, and it's huge. Okay, it's nice that they have a demo already in the pre-sale. Okay, we talked about the roadmap already, which is something amazing. They have the news. Okay, so they haven't published any news yet, but just take a look at the Discord and stay up to date with their news and everything that they have. Okay. All right, so announcements here. So they've already been very active with the announcements, and they spoke about the website bug report. So if you go on the website and something's going on with the website that is feeling buggy and something is not in order in the place, you can just go out there and talk to the devs and let them know that there's a website bug, which you can report it on this catalog here, okay, with the website bug report. So you're able to visit your property. You're able to, like I said, okay, so here's the link if you want to explore your 3D properties for the one that you want to get into, okay? You're able to just click on this link and view your properties. Let's say you want to, like I said, I keep saying Memphis, but if you want to take a look at Memphis properties and or California properties, because I like California as well, just take a look at it and see which one you want to get into, okay? So here, this is just a chat, a regular chat. So it's amazing already. They already have memes and everything. You're able to just speak with several of the owners and several of the devs here, and just interact with them. And I see it as a huge opportunity and a huge family when I'm taking a look at this and reading the comments and everything. So this is nice, okay? And so here also I want to talk about the last thing, which is the AMA questions, which we talked about actually, which they'll have on March 17th, okay? March 17th, have that in your calendar as well at 10 p.m. And this is the question, okay? So if you want to get whitelisted, hopefully the best 10 questions will get whitelisted. So you're asking questions here, okay? So let me just review quickly some questions that I see that I like. So we have here, so will any members of the team be attending the upcoming Avalanche Spring Summit? So this is a summit that they have in the Avalanche, which it's going to be in the spring. And he's just asking, so will there be any members, since maybe there's a lot of the investors here in the community that will be attending that event, and they want to see if any of the devs will be there, maybe since they want to interact in real life with them. All right. And so you're able to go on here and have the sheet of the questions that you want to ask. Let's say you have a question about the longer sustainability of the project, or if you want to talk about maybe how many properties can I buy and without the taxes system, or if there's a tax system for each property I have, or it's just one tax system that I pay each month. So there's a lot of options here. Just take a look at it, and if you have any questions for the AMA, go on the site and go on Discord and this option here and talk about the AMAs, okay? I hope you found great value in this video about my review with the neighbors. And personally, I will be getting into the pre-sale and hoping to see a lot of potential in this project, since I'm really huge on real estate in real life. And I see a lot of potential if they actually sustain and plan out everything for the roadmap and actually act upon it. And if they do that, this will be huge. And guys, stay tuned for the next one, because I'll be doing another review on a project that I found as well. And if you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe, and stay blessed, and see you on the next one. Take care.